Today's topic is competitive intelligence framework. Here's the thing. Today, we're not just going to review the main ones and explaining how to use it depending on the use case. My promise today is to allow you to create your own framework for your specific use case, to make sure that when you're leveraging competitive analysis, you're actually getting actionable insights that you can use. It's about increasing the speed and quality of strategic decisions. You might know about the main competitive intelligence frameworks: SWOT, PESTLE, Porter models. We're going to quickly review them and explain why and why not they might be interesting, but we'll see exactly during this video how to create your own framework to do exactly what you should do, which is increase the speed and the quality of your marketing decisions, taking into account what's happening in your market. And that's why we're here today. Amongst the most known competitive intelligence framework, you have the SWOT model: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. Here's the thing. It's super static. It's cool because it's easy to understand and it's easy to draw, but it rarely leads to actionable insights, and it's quite hard to actually compare one company's SWOT against another. Another one, quite known, has been created by the BCG, the Growth Share Matrix. Again, it's a simple visualization that can help you visualize a portfolio and a market right away, but again, it's too generic. And when it comes to taking proper marketing decisions, it won't help. This is the thing about the most common competitive intelligence frameworks. They're one size fits all, and these can't work for you. They're easy to understand, they're easy to use, and that's why they're taught at school. But that's also why they're quite hard to use in real life for your business. So here's the thing. Let's go and build together your own competitive intelligence framework. We have one goal here together for the next 5 minutes. I promise you one thing: making sure that you're able to make better marketing decisions faster. First thing that you should do is to track what your competitors are up to. Here's the thing. It works if you're consistent and if you're doing this consistently over time. And caveat is, it's hard to do it consistently and manually over time. So pick a solution to make sure that you can do this automatically, and Panoramata is here to help. Here, for instance, this is my dashboard on Panoramata. I'm following my 30 competitors, and the platform is automatically summarizing for me everything that happened, and they've launched all the recent promotions in one place. I can see their main campaigns. I can access all the relying data at the same place as well if I'd like to, and I'll receive a summary every Monday morning. 2. Benchmark yourself against your competitors. It's super important to actually have some comparison points so you can understand how do you behave against them and how they're shifting their behavior against yours as well. On Panoramata, with a click, you can benchmark all your competitors automatically for any period of time and see, for instance, which company has sent the most email during the same period or has published the most ads on which network, which USPs. You want to see all the ads that they've published during the period? Just takes a click and you have them all here. 3. Insights and recommendations. Your goal here is to have a constant flow of new campaigns that you should launch and new recommendations based on what's happening in your market. Again, on Panoramata, you have your dedicated live AI agents doing this for you 24/7, analyzing for you what you should do in your own campaigns, analyzing what your competitors have been up to recently. So those are maybe campaigns that you should launch right away to actually adapt to their recent behavior, and what your competitors might be up to in the next few weeks based on their history and their recent patterns as well. So you can anticipate what they might be up to and anticipate the next moves happening in your market as well. One cool thing here, you can also ask your own AI agent to do specific analysis you want him to make. Here, for instance, I'm asking for pet diseases, and every single week, Panoramata is going to highlight for me all the emails and or ads that are mentioning pet diseases made by my competitors. So we've done track, benchmark and compare, get insights and recommendations. Now comes the time of a proper competitor analysis. Let's say that I have a specific competitor and I really want to understand what they've been up to since the last few months, the last few years, in their emails, in their ads, in their landing pages, in their SMS, if there were any changes in their flows as well. Well, on Panoramata, you can. This is what a company page looks like on Panoramata. And each tab here is going to give you access to different kind of data. You want to have a look at all the ads Medjury has published since the last 4 years? We've got you covered. They're all here, analyzed for you automatically. If you want to see all the emails, you click here. You can, of course, search, select the date range, click on an email, and you'll get every single data points available here as well. If you click on the calendar, you're going to see every single marketing update we've collected on Medjury, again, since the last 4 years, break it down in a calendar. Cool thing here is you can over any day and see what they've been up to that very specific day. You can also summarize any month activity in a click and you'll get this here. So to build the perfect competitive intelligence framework for you, we have to make this actionable. We've seen together already how to get this data and already turn it into a few insights that you can use right away and tailor for your specific use case. So the benchmark, so you can understand your velocity, if you're doing enough promotions, if your deliverability is correct enough, if you're present on all their networks. On the dashboard to make sure that you can at least know what's been happening recently. And the insight section is really here to already give you a flow of new ideas and new campaigns that you should create. Targeting a specific competitor and reviewing its page on Panoramata also give you a ton of data that you can use. And you can do more than this. While you're looking at any piece of data on Panoramata, you can also save it right on the platform. So you can build your own swipe files already on Panoramata and make the best out of the platform for you. Here's what a list looks like on Panoramata. It's basically a swipe file, a Pinterest marketing board, if I may, when you can save all the examples that you'd like to save for later, for reference. Again, so you can turn your competitive intelligence work into something actionable and a list of campaign ideas that are going to fuel your next marketing strategy. So again, you can make better marketing decisions faster and outperform your competitors effectively. If you have a question, you have a doubt, don't hesitate. We're here to help. Thanks for listening. Subscribe to this channel, and wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.